Hi Amalfi followers, Jonathan here. Welcome to our warehouse where today we'll be talking about stone, pavers and our stock that's just arrived. Come inside and have a look. In front of me guys, you can see here our summer selection of limestone and marble pavers. What makes Amalfi Tiles so unique in its selection is the partners that we have with our quarries overseas. Not only our eyes keen on the tone and the colour of the product, but also the quality. I mean, we have really good working relationships with our manufacturers that meet the standards that we expect here in Australia, that our clients expect. Our natural stone tiles come with certificates that comply with slip rating, salt testing, and these are key components that our architects, our landscapers and designers are looking for. From cool grey tones to your warm beiges and cream tones. You got your sandblasted finish, which is really good for the clients that are a little bit conscious about non-slipping, safe for kids and really tactile underfoot. And we can move on to a sandblast and brushed surface, slightly softer than the sandblasted finish and not as aggressive, but still suitable around the swimming pool. Moving along, you are all familiar here with your antique surface, very European, quite rustic. Our travertines are sourced from all over the world. We've got Turkey and Spanish as well. Really honing into that warm vibe, partnered up with a nice blue mosaic in your swimming pool. This is a quintessential Australian backyard tile at the moment. We work really tirelessly with our quarry to ensure we get the highest quality. I look at, in anything that we do, I look at it as a partnership. So we are selecting the first quality. We pay a little bit more of a premium for that product, but the end result is that our clients are very satisfied with our, sizing, finishes, tonality. This particular stone here is quite unique as a cream-based product with quite a bit of silver through it. Very unique, consistent. We're going to take you on a journey today to a project that we just completed with a client over at Tarrant Point to showcase this particular stone in larger mass.